Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make an amazing rolled up lavash with eggplants, and for that we need, of course, lavash. We need eggplants, onion, garlic, 1 tomato, cheese, mayonnaise and ketchup. For the beginning of our cooking process, let's start with cutting down the eggplants into some slices, and then we'll need to cut them into smaller pieces, like you will see in the video. Whenever done, we'll need to cook this eggplant in the olive oil, so make sure you are ready with that process as well. And whenever you are done with the cutting down process, just add it there. While this is being cooked, let's go on and start with cutting down the onions into very small pieces as well, and not lose any time here. And whenever ready, let's make sure we are adding a little bit of salt to the eggplants, a little bit of black pepper, and red pepper to the taste. Meanwhile, let's also continue with the cutting down process and start cutting the tomato into very small pieces. And the next process for us will be cutting down the garlic into very small pieces. 2 cloves here will be totally enough, but if you like it more, you can use it, so it's totally to the taste. And whenever done, let's start cooking them as well separately from the eggplants. Add the onions to the olive oil. Add to this also the garlic and the tomatoes. Make sure they are mixed together properly and let it be cooked. Now all we have to do is start with covering the lavash with the mayonnaise. Make sure it is all covered, and then with the ketchup. And then whenever done, we'll proceed to adding to the lavash the eggplants. Spread it all over the lavash. And whenever done with this one, let's add the other mixture with the onions and tomatoes and garlic that we have just cooked, and spread it again all over the lavash. And whenever done, let's add the cheese, the grated cheese, to the top of all of those ingredients. Whenever added it all, we'll proceed to the last step of rolling up the lavash. Just do it and you're nearly ready. All you have to do is put in a little bit of melted butter, or again olive oil onto the top of the lavash, and put it to be cooked. And whenever ready, you can just take it out and cut it down and ready to be tasted. We hope you will like it. Good appetite!